Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
Whoa. Stop.
What?
Dude, that is really high. Yeah, sorry, that was a little high. Sister Bella just cracked the back windows when she belted that note. Yeah, sorry about that. What happened? Didn't you use your pitch pipe? Pitch pipe? What pitch pipe? All right. Let me teach you how to use a pitch pipe. This is a pitch pipe. Or you could use this handy little app on your phone. But this handy little tool gives you all the pitches that any song could ever start on, right? Here's an A. Here's a B. Here's a C. Here's the C, the octave below. All you do is you identify the note the song starts on and blow the pitch on your pitch pipe. Then you start the song on that pitch, and voila, you've nailed it, like this. Amazing grace. The song won't be too high, and the song won't be too low. The sopranos won't be screeching, and the basses won't be singing solo. You know, so low you can't hear them. That's amazing. So, I don't really read music. How do I know what the starting pitch is? I'm glad you asked. First, you have to know the starting notes to find the starting pitch. So there's so many notes. What part do I even look at? It's very simple. The melody is in the soprano line, this one. As the song leader singing the melody of the song, you're going to look at the first note in the top line. Again, we're talking about the soprano line here. You won't use this starting note. That's for the basses. You won't use this starting note. This is for the tenor line. You won't use this one. That's for the altos. You want to use this one on the soprano line. As the song leader, you sing the melody with the sopranos. Wow, that's really simple. So how do I use my pitch pipe then? That's easy too. You start by being able to name the lines and spaces on the staff. As you go up the lines and spaces, you go up in pitch, like this. Or like this. The bottom line on the treble staff, or the G staff, is E. So if your melody, or the soprano line, starts on E, first you find the E on your pitch pipe, you blow the pitch, hum the pitch, and start on that pitch, just like this. So if it's an E, amazing grace, just like that. If it's an F, same thing. You find the F on your pitch pipe, start it here. Or if it's a G, find the G on your pitch pipe, la la la. If it's an A, la la la. Now this is the tricky part for me. How do you remember the names of the lines and spaces? That's a good question. As always, I've got some tricks up my sleeve. Here are 3 easy tricks to remember the names of the pitches on the staff. Now, this applies to the G staff, or the treble staff. We're not going to talk about the staff with the bass clef today, okay? And that's fine, since almost all melodies are in the soprano line, which has that G clef, or the treble clef. And that's the one we've been talking about this whole time, okay? So here are my 3 tricks. Look at the line the G clef crosses over the most times. That's the line with the pitch of G. Simple. See this line here? The G clef crosses over the G line 4 times. Here's that G. What about all the other lines and spaces? I'm going to give you 2 mnemonics that will help you quickly identify the pitches for the lines and spaces on the treble staff or the G staff. Remember, those are the same thing, the treble staff and the G staff. All these tricks I'm sharing with you work for a staff with this G clef or treble clef on it. So here are the two mnemonics. Every good boy does fine for the line, and face for the space. The first letter of every good boy does fine names the pitch of the line from the bottom up. Every good boy does fine. E, G, B, D, F. From the bottom line, that bottom E line, going up to the top F line on the staff. And face names the pitches of the spaces. F, A, C, E. Starting with that bottom space. F, A, C, E. Going up the spaces to that top E space. Alrighty, let's practice. It's on a line, so we can use the every good boy does fine mnemonic. It's on the boy line, so it's a B. Here's the B. If the starting note for your melody was on this line, you'd start singing on this note. La la la. What's this pitch? Again, it's on a line. It's on the first line, this bottom line. Every, so it's an E, so here's your E. You'd start singing on this pitch. What's this one? It's on a space this time, so we use the face, or F-A-C-E, face mnemonic. This is the A space. Here's your A. Start singing on the A. What's this pitch? It's also on a space. This one's on the E space. But notice this is a whole octave above the E line at the bottom. So if your song started on this space up here, you'd start here on this octave. You'd start up here, not down here. This would be the E on the line. Wow, that's super easy. One problem though, I still don't know if I'm fast enough at this to do it when I'm leading singing. You know, like before each song. Another easy fix. To be a great song leader, you need to prepare. When you prepare worship service, write out the order of service with your song titles in order. Figure out the pitch of that starting note for each song you'll be leading when you sit down to prepare, and write that starting note next to each title. That way, you don't have to figure it out under pressure. You just look at the name of the pitch you wrote, blow it in your pitch pipe or your smartphone pitching app, and away you go. Away you go. That's brilliant. And I know you can't believe this, but I've made it even easier. I've made you a free cheat sheet. Check it out in the description box below this video. Go ahead, go download it. Use it. It's free. I made it just for you.